Welcome to Solved Gadgets. 9 amazing innovations for your garage are included in today's Cool Gadgets compilation. So what are you waiting for? Get your popcorn and enjoy our today's selection while relaxing on the sofa. Let's get to the video. Not only does a correctly done wheel alignment improve safety on the road, but it also lessens tire maintenance cost and depreciation. An interactive 3D wheel alignment platform that simplifies mechanics work is displayed on your LED screen. The machine vision system is the primary component. High-resolution cameras are used to digitize the suspension, which is subsequently copied on a computer, and its condition is compared to the system design version. Special targets are mounted on the wheels to increase precision and facilitate machine system targeting. The above systems have the great benefit of being ready for use immediately after installation with no requirement for calibration. They may well be utilized in repair facilities equipped with elevators and examination pits. Yet with prices beginning at $15,000, they are still high. Have you ever had a scenario when you were traveling to an interview when all of a sudden your vehicle tire gets punctured and you only had your old wheel wrench with an extension bar and you are running late? What are you supposed to do if you're attempting to remove several fasteners in one go? Therefore, in this scenario, multi-spindle attachments with adapters for various cordless instruments are useful. Finding and choosing the proper template pattern for each unique operation, such as drilling, countersinking, or tapping, is a considerable benefit. Shortening the work cycle and guaranteeing high work quality are both made possible by the wide range of attachments and the spindle's shared motor power. The next equipment is indeed a joint plate tester, which can be utilized to evaluate a car's chassis and steering handling and is capable of identifying issues with the axle. The equipment does not require electricity, pressurized air, or additional components, for instance. This is indeed lightweight and appropriate for vehicles ranging up to 7,700 pounds. With the help of this technology, you can easily replicate a number of road conditions, including cornering on both axles. See a clear outcome, show it to the customer right away, and explain what needs to be fixed at the same time. The equipment weighs roughly 141 pounds overall and was created by a master mechanic. The cost of this equipment is $1,667. The company claims that somehow this method is the simplest and fastest way to install flexible CV boots with diameters up to 4.5 inches. Every skilled driver is cognizant that a ripped or worn boot can significantly shorten the joint service life, since the CV joint or constant velocity joint works under severe stress. The gadget on the screen uses pressurized air to stretch the CV boot onto the drive shaft with the minimum of effort, making the boot replacement process simpler. The maker advises the design model for professional workshops as well, because the concept is so effective and the video lesson is only 5 minutes long. Remember that this really demands a flexible CV boot, because conventional ones are frequently too difficult for this type of installation, as customers explain in the remarks. The price of this gadget is $248. Now, let's examine the equipment from a company known as REMA Tip Top. According to the name of the business, it is doing fairly well. With the help of its tire repair solutions, it was able to achieve sales of almost $1 billion in the fiscal year 2020. The crew produces a range of compounds, tools, and repair patches like those on the screen, in addition to vulcanizing heat presses, balancing equipment, and other items. This update minimizes repair, and it is suited even for tires that must operate in harsh conditions, and reduces time by around 40% without the need for extra ventilation. You may sand the tire to make it seem brand new using a unique material with strong adherence. Sometimes it can be challenging, complicated, and time-consuming to install a scissor lift in a repair workshop. Danish engineers responded to the crisis with this technology, which would be simple to apply and incredibly beneficial. It's a groundbreaking lift, the business claims. It is flexible in its adjustment of the leg spacing and can lift up to about 7,700 pounds. The breadth of the lift may be adjusted from 4.3 to 9.8 feet, and its height can reach 6.4 feet. The lift is simple to put up, maintain, and is prepared to operate with automobiles, vans, and SUVs because of the fast release connection mechanism. Storage eventually becomes a problem in any workshop, whether it is young and inexperienced or highly skilled. To reduce clutter and ensure that everything is always in its place, use this dual-purpose storage solution. These drawers, which can be used as both wall lockers and carrying cases, are the system's key component. The typical set consists of a drawer, 2 dividers, and a rail, and has a load capacity of around 22 pounds. This design is highly adaptable. It's simple to adapt for a certain workshop and will appeal DIY enthusiasts, as well as hunters, campers, fishers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. And some individuals mount the equipment straight into their automobiles. A set cost initially $140. The winner of the prestigious SEMA exhibition is the next one. It is indeed regarded as being among the major occasions for producers of various automotive gadgets. The item we're about to demonstrate is useful for clearing up drain holes and air vents. Due to the progressive infiltration of various types of filth, experts recommend cleaning them at least a few times every year. The cleaning procedure will go more quickly and easily owing to this gadget. It is essentially a flexible wire element with textile fibers that includes mounts for cordless drills and screwdrivers. The equipment weighs roughly 15 ounces in its packaging and is small and simple to operate. Considering that it doesn't come with a screwdriver, it is odd that they are demanding $450 for it. Professionals that maintain and repair vehicles and large machinery like tractors and harvesters would discover this tool to be exceptionally advantageous and convenient. You could regulate the torque between 450 and 650 Newton meters, substantially simplifying wheel removal and installation. On request, the business will also develop an object with a 1,000 Newton meters. The method eliminates the need to exert physical effort and risk harm by pressing lengthy levers with your entire body. The technique is not only functional, but perhaps also secure. There is furthermore a spark-free version with a copper impact head available. This even makes cramped places considerably more convenient and increases the amount of work that even one person can accomplish.